Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Mars and Saturn hard malefics. They were in square position in September 2020 when there was peak of coronavirus. So what I've tried to do is try to see what were the planetary positions in September, which were also predicted by me that in September 2020 will be the peak of coronavirus as far as 2020 is concerned. So I've tried to compare the planetary positions at the time of September 2020 and the planetary positions from 24th April to 7th of July, and I find similarities. So this article is exactly pertaining to that, and it is showing that there will be a surge in coronavirus, and as we have all seen, all my predictions are coming true. So let me read out Mars and Saturn hard malefics in square position September 2020 peak in coronavirus. June July 2021 most prone since similar planetary positions. After writing so many articles on the planetary positions and virus spread, I looked back when coronavirus was in the peak in September 2020, and I remembered, and I had made some predictions also in 2020. Now have a look at the chart of number of cases in the year 2020. September is showing the peak. You can see the graph yourself. It is the peak and showing red. Have a look at the chart of September 2020. Mars and Saturn were in square position. They were almost at the same degrees. They are approaching the same degrees. And Mars ingress in Aries had taken place in August, end of almost in the middle and the third week of August. And thereafter, when it became square with the Saturn and reaching the close degrees and both retrograde, that was the time for the coronavirus. And Jupiter was also retrograde. There were three planets which were retrograde, and Ketu was about to, in September, Ketu was about to come in Scorpio in Jesta star, which is the most enigmatic star. As I mentioned, the world most tragic events happen when malefics are in Jesta star. And Ketu ingressed in Jesta star of the 20th September 2020, and then there was an aspect of Mars on Ketu, and Ketu is disease karka. So Mars and Saturn were square position. Mars and Saturn both retrograde. Fallen Jupiter has aspect on Mars. Rahu Ketu changed signs in Taurus and Scorpio on the 20th September 2020. Mars aspect Ketu in just the star, considered to be most malefic for worldly events. Sign Libra influenced by both Mars and Saturn, which is the sixth house of the India Foundation chart, where the 8th Lord Jupiter is placed, and the 8th Lord is fallen and with Ketu in the transit. That was the time when coronavirus peaked. Now this chart you can see India has Taurus Lagna and Jupiter is in sign Capricorn. So the aspect of Jupiter and Saturn on the aspect of Mars and Saturn on Jupiter was most critical. So then planets, point number 7, planets about to change motion, and as per the chart below, already mentioned by me in my earlier articles in 2020, that when planets are about to change motion, when they are about to become retrograde, and retrograde planets about to become direct, they become stationary. And September was the month in which three planets were in stationary motion: Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, and Ketu was in Gandanta. From Sagittarius it was coming back to Scorpio. So it is a Gandanta. Any planet which is transiting between a fiery and worldly and water sign is most malefic, and Ketu transiting in Jesta Nakshatra will not give ease to coronavirus till it is there till 10th of May. I can tell you, till 10th of May, the virus will spike like anything. Till it goes and it changes its Navamsha. It will be in Scorpio Navamsha. It still be bad till it goes in Libra Navamsha. And actually it comes in the Rahu Ketu come back in Aries and Libra and Navamsha, only then we'll get some respite, and then there is exchange of stars which will happen on the 8th of February 2023 in a broader spectrum. See this chart. According to this chart, I had predicted the worst for September 2020 for coronavirus. The planets were in stationary motion before they went in retrogression. Mars went in retrogression on the 9th September and was stationary from the 6th September 2020. Saturn was retrograde and became direct on the 29th September and was stationary for 5 days before becoming direct on the 24th September 2022. And Mars and Saturn were both in square position when both becoming stationary are most dangerous. Jupiter was retrograde and became direct on the 13th September and 9th September. So 9th September becomes very important. So 9th may have spiked the maximum. Ketu was in Gandhanta. Now some parallel situations in May, June and July 21. For 18th to 23rd May 2000, Saturn will be stationary and will have degree aspect from Mars in Gemini, and there will also be Veda between Mars and Saturn till from the 24th April to 16th May 2021. Jupiter will be in stationary motion from the 16th June to 20th June when it will be go in retrogression. The transit Mars will aspect Jupiter by 8th aspect from the sign Cancer. Just look at the things. Have a look at the chart of the 14th June 2021 when Mars and Saturn will be in square position and also oppose each other, and degree aspect on the 1st and 2nd July 2021. On the 14th June, Mars will aspect Jupiter by 8th aspect degree wise, and Jupiter will become stationary on the 16th. Most critical parameters, Mars and Saturn will be opposing each other from the 2nd June to 20th July 2021. So have a look at this chart. Mercury is fallen in that chart when there is an exit aspect of Mars on Jupiter, which is going to become stationary. Mars and Saturn opposing each other. Mars aspects Saturn retrograde degree wise on the 2nd July. Mars and Saturn in Kendra from each other. Saturn retrograde, Jupiter about to go in retrogression from the 20th June to 21 and will be in stationary mode for 4 days. Hence, we come to the conclusion that starting from the 24th April to 2nd July will be the peak time frame for the virus spread. May, June months will be the worst months. Why I'm only saying May? Because the end of April, from 24th, the peak will start. So we can also say 24th of April, May and June could be the worst month, as can be seen from all angles. I have looked at the analysis by so many methods. So that's all, friends, and that's all, friends, I just wanted to share, and thank you for listening to me. Have a good day, and I pray God that